Everyone, we are going to solve 4 bracket 5 plus 2 minus 2 square plus 8. Options are 16, 32, 26, 30. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So we are given bracket, addition, subtraction, exponent, addition again. So what to choose first? So we are going to use Padma's rule that helps to choose the preference. So first, parenthesis. Then you have to solve exponent. Then division. Multiplication. Addition. Subtraction. So first we'll solve the bracket. So 4 and 5 plus 2 is 7 minus 2 square plus 8. There is no sign between bracket and 4. So here is multiplication. Minus 2 square is 4 plus 8. Now we will do multiplication first. 4 times 7 is 28 minus 4 plus 8. Or we can write 28 plus 8 minus 4. 28 plus 8 is 36. Minus 4 is 32. Which is option number B. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.